What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video. Within this video, I will answer you each and everything you should know about it before you buy this Huawei GT2e smartwatch. And I'm sure you will going to find it informative as well. This is my guarantee to you guys. I will be answering to you what this smartwatch has got inside and what it does not have it. So by the end of it, you will have an idea that is that smartwatch for you or not. Now here I have two Huawei GT2 smartwatches. One is a black, another one is a mint green color. Now you have to tell me within the comment section below that which one should I keep. So tell me which one I should keep, black or a mint green. And if you find my video informative, helped you to make a decision that is the smartwatch for you or not. And let me know in the comment section too that what other smartwatches you would like to compare this Huawei GT2e with. So I can do that for you too. So now this all blah blah been said, let's crack on with the video. Now first to start with, let's talk about the design. This Huawei GT2e come with a very sporty look, but without losing that classical watch touch. The smartwatch face is completely brand new design without having any gaps around the wrist stripe. And for the wristband strip, you can go with any 22mm wristband available within the Amazon or anywhere you can find. Currently in the market, there's no specially designed stripe available for GT2e, but in future, I'm sure there will be. I will be leaving the link for them all in the video description if you're interested in. And the user interface of Huawei Wear OS is fantastic. Everything you wanted to see is right available on the main screen. To access the quick setting, if you scroll from top to bottom, you're going to see them right in here. Straight away you can access the settings and see what is the battery life available too. Option for finding your mobile phone, setting an alarm, and do not disturb is available too in here. Now to see all the notifications which you have received from your mobile phone, scroll from bottom to top. Here you're going to see all the notifications. Now for the application, OS come with a predefined applications which are so many of them and very user friendly too. Starting with the workout record, workout status, heart rate sensor status, SpO2, activity records, sleep monitor, stress monitor, breathing exercise, music, barometer, compass, notification, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight, and find your mobile phone. Now within the settings, you're going to access all the different options where you can program the buttons as well. The down button can be programmed and the top button is reserved for the return and the power option. Now this whole area is non-customizable actually. You're going to see all the applications available in here, but you can customize all the main faces on the front. Within the settings, display, and favorites. Now right in here you can shuffle them how you want them and off you go. Now smartwatch is fully equipped with all the sensors you need to record your fitness levels. Starting with the pedometer to record your steps, GPS and GLONASS to locate your position when you're doing any activity, heart rate sensor which will be running 24/7 to record your heartbeats and lay them out in a structured way when you're using it for outdoor activities. SpO2 sensor is also available which will measure the saturation of oxygen within your bloodstream. This is a very new sensor which is only available in Huawei GT2e at this moment of time, and I'm sure in future there will be a lot of smartwatches with this kind of an option. Also come with the Barometer Sensor, which will help you if you're doing the hiking activities, and compass as well for the best navigation. And now if we compare GT2e with its predecessor GT2, you also get the auto working out features, which is kind of an auto detection feature. So whenever you started to do walking, running and stuff like that, smartwatch will automatically detect it and will start to record it. You can also turn this feature off if you don't like it. And in my personal opinion, this was kind of a hit and miss actually. But if you want, you can manually launch the workouts as well, whatever you would like to do. Outdoor running, indoor running, outdoor walk, which I do the most of the time. You can just simply straight them away, start them actually, and all the information will be recorded within the Huawei Health application. And if you have done any workouts, they will be nicely arranged within the application and can be seen in very much detail and with the charts as well, where it will be tracking your heart rate, how fast you are running. It's very intuitive. You can see that how nicely it defines everything within the application. You can also launch all exercises from the app, which is very easy and straightforward. Select what you would like to do, press play button, and off we go.
Workout started. Workout paused.
Now within the smartwatch you have an option to find your mobile phone in case you have lost in the house.
I'm here. I'm here.
And have no option to find your smartwatch in case you have lost it around the house. Now for the watch faces, you have a choice in hundreds. You can easily get them using the Huawei Health application. I have not really counted them, but they are more than 150 for sure. And let's suppose you have downloaded a watch face which need updating. App will also give you option for that as well. Simply click on it and there we go. It will straight away start process of downloading and you will get updated face on your smartwatch. You can also customize the watch face if you want to by going into Mine area here and going into the gallery option number 1, where first you need to select the background. You can take your own picture if you want to. Just done one. Let's see. Select it how you would like to see that, but let's go for that. Then select the style of time you would like to see and the layout. Save it away. And there we go. Watch face is updated and right on your smartwatch too. Now all the watch faces which you have downloaded are available within the smartwatch. You can select them whenever you want them from the list in here. You can see that it's a pretty decent amount of list, not like some smartwatches where you have a choice to store only 3. Now on smartwatch we also have always on display too, or they call it standby display, and you're going to find that within the settings and in display. Inside standby watch faces, where at the moment I have selected none. Now you got a choices available in here which one you would like to go for. Make sure you select the one which takes less amount of battery because it automatically halves the battery life of your smartwatch. Now these are the only choices you have for standby display. Now option of having auto brightness control is fantastic. That means you can use the smartwatch indoor with the right amount of light on it so you can display it nicely indoors as well as in outdoors too. Now for the notification from your mobile phone straight on your smartwatch, you have a fantastic choice available. What notifications you want, what you don't want, you can have a selection too. This has all been possible using the Huawei Health application and by going into the devices tab in here and selecting your smartwatch. Now within your smartwatch configuration, if you scroll down, you're going to see an option for the notification right in here. Okay. Now here you can select what application you would like to see the notification from. You can select any application which is available on your mobile phone. So if there is something app need to notify you and you have to know about it, you get the notification on your smartwatch. Like I have got a car lock GPS tracker on my car. When car moves, I get the notification on mobile phone. No problem, but I get the same notification on my smartwatch as well. Or if you have a home security system with the app running on your mobile phone, you can push the notification from the app straight on your smartwatch using this area too. Now in terms of notification, they are very sudden and straight away. Whenever mobile beeps, I get the notification straight on my smartwatch. And they are very clear as well. You can view them completely, but you cannot reply back to them at all. And all are clearly available within the notification area. Once you clear them up, you're not going to see them again in here. Now mobile phone call notification on your smartwatch are more or less like if you're not wearing it, it won't show up at all. But when you're wearing smartwatch, you're going to get all the notification displayed on it. Now for the call attend, you can only disconnect the call, that's it. Now to attend the call, you have to use your mobile phone. Now for playing music, smartwatch come with a 4 GB of internal storage. And to listen your music on out and about, you have to pair up your Bluetooth headset or earbuds if you have. Smartwatch does not have a speaker or microphone input. And to pair up any Bluetooth hands-free and music device with your smartwatch is very easy. By going into the settings and within the settings selecting the earbuds. And make sure that Bluetooth device you would like to pair with your smartwatch is in a pairing mode as well. Select it from the list. Once it's paired successfully, you're going to see the notification and that's it. And now you can actually enjoy the music from your smartwatch straight on your earbuds. And to download more music in your smartwatch, you have to use Huawei Health application by going into the music tab and clicking onto the manage music. In here you can add the song from your local device, select what music you would like to transfer from your list, or you can select all of them if they are not more than 4 gigabytes. Once selected, click OK button. Within the music section of application, you're also going to see how much space is available too. And to delete any song which you don't like, use the same application and delete it from the list in here. That's how easy and straightforward it is. Option of deleting song is also available within the player too. Now it's not necessary that you have to play a music which is available on your smartwatch. You can select the menu option here and play music from your mobile phone. Or you can use your Amazon Prime Music or Spotify as well. Music player on smartwatch will act like a remote control. Now when you have your earbuds connected with the smartwatch, still you will not be able to attend the call because the hands-free feature is not available at all on the smartwatch. So remember that guys, earbuds are only for playing music, no hands-free calls at all. Watch come with the 5 ATM water rating, but honestly speaking, I can't deep dive into the swimming pool. I'm not a swimmer at all. I have been wearing the smartwatch in the shower, washing my hands with it, no problem whatsoever. Worked great. Now it has been more than 4 weeks I have been using the smartwatch and the battery life has been fantastic. I only charged it twice and still if I look at it, I have got enough battery left in there, 66%. That's not bad at all. Now to charge the smartwatch from 0 to 100, it will take about 1 hour by using the standard mobile phone charging adapter. Now let's talk about the options which we do not have within the smartwatch, and I have been asked in my last videos too. Starting with the Google Maps. Yes guys, smartwatch does not have a Google Maps at all in there, or any kind of a maps at all. But think about it, if you have a map within the smartwatch, it's going to eat the battery life like anything. Where you are getting 2 weeks, you will end up getting only less than 2-3 days. Maybe in future from Huawei we're going to find the maps available within the smartwatches, but not at this moment of time. Now within the smartwatch, in terms of connectivity, you only have a Bluetooth. No NFC, no Wi-Fi whatsoever. So Bluetooth is a main communication way with your smartphone device. I have been hearing the rumors that models which are released in China have got the NFC feature in them. And that's the only thing. It's kind of a rumor for me. Well, now that would be all. I hope I have covered each and everything you wanted to know about this Huawei GT2e smartwatch. Or if you still have any more questions guys, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help. And if you think I have helped you here to make your decision to purchase this Huawei GT2e smartwatch, let me know in the comment section down below, and also hit the like button on this video too. And if you don't like it, double click onto that dislike button. I will be okay with that too. Now that will be completely all from my side guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.